Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best vacuum sealers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FoodSaver vacuum sealer with starter kit. Save the food and save the word. This is what FoodSaver is dedicated to. It is a reputable machine that is perfected in sealing a variety of food. Compared to the other methods of food storage, this keeps everything fresh more than 5 times. Unlike other machines, this one has an instant sealing feature that allows vacuum sealing of delicate products. The good thing about this machine is a wide sealing strip. This gives it the ability to seal wide-mouthed sealer bags. Also, the wide strip offers perfect sealing, hence keeping air out of the bag or the storage container. Unlike the large machines, this handheld is simple to use and operate, as well as sleek. The machine is supplied with sealer bags for convenience when you want to seal the food. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the NutriChef automatic vacuum air sealing system. When cooking becomes a daunting task, you can make it economical by preserving your cooked food. The NutriChef air sealing machine is dedicated to making life easy and save food wastage. This machine is designed to keep your fresh products, cooked food, and marinated food safe from microbial attack. By creating a vacuum in the sealing bag, the machine seals off the air completely for added food lifespan. With the ability to operate in 2 modes, this vacuum sealer is able to seal dry and moist food. On the other hand, the design is exceptional and keeps your bench looking awesome. The lab-tested results are amazing, with this device enabling food storage up to 5 to 6 times the normal ways. For convenient usage, the machine boasts starter kit for ensuring easy sealing on purchase. At number 3, we have the Westin Pro 2300 stainless steel vacuum sealer, commercial grade. Westin Pro 2300 is a commercial-grade sealer machine that is worth for heavy-duty applications. Instead of overworking a small machine, this one offers a solution to your woes. Instead of throwing away leftovers, the machine provides great ways of doing food preservation. With the ability to handle large quantities of food, the machine can work for long without developing complications. The construction of this machine entails stainless steel material. This ensures there are no harmful materials like lead, phthalate and other banned materials. Despite being commercial grade, its countertop design ensures it can fit in your kitchen bench comfortably. Also, it has a fan for cooling as well as double pumps for excellent vacuum creation. At number 2, we have the Geryon V automatic vacuum food sealer machine. Saving your food budget can be achieved even without the use of refrigerators. All is needed is investing in reputable food sealing machine. The Geryon automatic food sealer is one of the ideal choices dedicated to keeping food fresh up to 5 times. The good thing with this machine is it can be used to store a variety of food. Whether it is roasted meat, veggies, and other common food, it ensures proper vacuum sealing. With this machine, it eliminates common problems associated with freezing and chemical preservation. Besides being efficient, the machine is compatible with different sealer bags. In fact, it can seal any bag up to 12 inches. For people with other stuff requiring proper protection against moisture and also losses, the machine is a valuable investment. The silent working process is great in keeping the whole process smooth and free from nuisance noise. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mower Skye MS886 automatic mini portable vacuum air sealing system. The Mower Skye automatic mini portable vacuum sealing is the solution to food preservation. This machine is designed to allow people to enjoy vacuum sealing to elongate your food storage. Despite its small design, this device offers easy operation. With the user-friendly operation, it provides automatic functioning. To make the process smooth, it comes with LED integrated indicator to guarantee absolute performance safety. Enhanced with improved vacuum sealing ability, it keeps food fresh 10 times than other traditional methods. Unlike other methods, vacuum sealing preserves nutrients, and also the original taste. Besides high performance, the machine is superbly compact and slim. This eliminates storage hassle as opposed to other large machines. The performance is smooth without excessive noise like with older models. Thus, even when sealing your products, it doesn't bother others in the room due to low operational noise. To increase safety, when the machine is working, it has a locking mechanism to prevent your hands from getting burned. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.